I'm tired from all this stressing, too weak to count my blessings. Ain't got time for window dressing, just trying to keep my soul intact. I've been running hard, feet on fire, dreams and duty tangled in wire. But when my strength starts slipping away, I still hear your voice say, don't grow weary in well-doing. Get those problems off your chest, cast your cares on my shoulders, and I'll give you rest. I'll give you rest. These bills don't pay themselves, and my prayers